Hello Jelly Babes, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you how I create these two gorgeous manis today using Modelones new stamping plates and rhinestone accessories. They do have other choices on their store as well with the plates and with the accessories, so make sure you click on the link below and it will take you to their store and you can go and check the other plates out as well. So when I eventually pick it up, I will show you. So this is the backing. So it's got white backing and the edges are rounded off, so they're not sharp, even though it hasn't got a proper plastic backing. And this is the other one. So this is Holly's Dream Wedding. For some reason, this didn't have the white on the back of it, but the edges were still all rounded off. And these are the 12-piece rhinestones, and they are so sparkly, Jelly Babes. They are really, really stunning. You can tell that they are really good quality rhinestones that, you know, are going to look absolutely amazing on your nails. So I'm going to be using their clear stamper and their scraper as well. So I got this from their Alice collection that I reviewed, their stamping kit. I can leave links to that if you've not seen it. So I'm using Modelones colours for the base. So this is Alice from the Alice collection, and then Diamond Rain from their Glitter Party collection. And this is their stamping polish as well. So you've got a silver stamping polish and a black stamping polish in the Alice collection. So I'm going to take this crown image. I'm just sort of getting rid of the bits of the polish that I don't want, using a lint roller. I'm going to place this on the nail now. Obviously I wanted to add the crown because obviously the theme of the plate is Crown Party. And then I'm going to be using this other image here. So I'm going to pick it up and place it on the nail. So with this image, obviously you can place it differently. It's going to look differently on the nail, so you can have it so it doesn't quite fill the image like so. And you can see that the image is picked up really nice and crisp as well. And then I'm going to use the same image, but this time I'm going to basically fill the nail a bit more. So now to add the sparkly bling. So you just want to move the piece round. Now obviously these are bigger, chunkier items, so you just want to be a little bit careful taking them out. So I couldn't get them out with just like putting my finger in there, and I didn't want to risk my mani anyway. So I just used the rhinestone picker and got it out that way. And then I've applied some glue, and basically you want to get it roughly in position, obviously quite quickly because the glue will set quite quick, and then just hold it in place. And basically once you can move your hands away, then that's sorted. And then I came in with the gel top coat and kind of like put it all around it just to make sure, you know, that you'd be encapsulated a little bit more. So these are so sparkly, you can really tell the quality of the crystal. If you do find that it's a little bit cloudy or anything like that because you're putting your fingers on it, then just use some isopropyl alcohol and just wipe over the top of it, and seriously it brings that sparkle right back without damaging the crystal. So I'm just going to add some more crystals now. So these are from Beauty Big Bang, and I'm going to basically apply the glue and stick the rhinestones on, and it's kind of going to look like a necklace. So you would expect, if you're going to a crown party, it'd be about big blingy bling. So that's how it's going to look with all of the rhinestones placed, and I just think it looks so gorgeous. So I'd love to know your thoughts on this mani. This is how it all looks together. This would definitely be an eye-catching mani with all that bling on it and the lovely delicate stamping images as well. So please let me know your thoughts on this in the comments box below, and whether this is a plate that you would purchase. So I'm just going to show you now a couple of the swatches just so you can see how perfectly they pick up. This is the first time with me playing with the product, and the pickup on these plates is just stunning. I had no issue. It was perfect pickup first time, every time. So I'm just going to, like I said, I'm just going to show you a few, and then I will show you all of the swatches that I did off camera, just because I don't want the video to be overly long, just so I don't bore you guys, and hopefully I haven't bored you already. So I'm just going to show you this last image. I know you can't see it because my lighting is terrible. but basically it's this gorgeous image here, which obviously you can add at the top of your nail, or even put it at the bottom of your nail for like a funky French tip design. So here are all of the images, so you can see that they all picked up absolutely perfectly. The etching on these plates is really, really well etched, and that's no doubt why they've picked up amazingly first time. So yeah, nothing but goodness coming from, good reports coming from that plate. So moving on to the next design, again, these are from the Glitter Party collection. All of links to the products I've used today will be in the description box below, so please use those. So obviously this plate is Holly's dream wedding, so I'm going to do a wedding themed mani. So I'm going to take this gorgeous sort of like lacy design here, and obviously I'm putting it over like a nudie base. So I placed it down this way, and it did mean that it didn't quite fill the nail. So I just sort of went in again and repeated it underneath, so you didn't quite, you couldn't really see, to be honest, that I've done that. So this is going to be Holly. So I gave her some colour using some stamping polish and a striper brush, and then I added the white just to make sure that the colours pop when I place it on the nail. So I'm going to do dry stamping now. So I'm using the Sheen Modern gel, which I did apply off camera and cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. So basically it adds a tacky layer, so then you can apply the stamping polish directly to the nail. Even though it's completely dried on the stamper, it just transfers perfectly, and that's how I always do my advanced stamping. And then obviously this is going to be Holly's absolutely gorgeous wedding tiara. Very blingy indeed. So I've got ahead and place that on camera, and then where it kind of smudged, I did just go in with the skin tone again and go over that, trying to blend that out as well. So this is the end look. Again, super, super blingy and sparkly. Please let me know your thoughts on this mani and on this plate as well. I always love having nice positive feedback. So I'm going to show you again just a couple of images just so you can see me swatching it, and you can see that I had no issue with pickup, and these images look gorgeous over the sparkly base as well. So these would be gorgeous if you are going to a wedding, maybe the mother of the bride or a bridesmaid. But yeah, I've really enjoyed having a play and swatching them for you guys today. So here are the images all together. So I'm going to come in a little bit closer just so you don't see that glare. So all of the images picked up absolutely fine, as you can see. So I'm really, really impressed with this plate and these products, and hopefully I'll get to have a play with the other ones later on as well. So I just turned my light off, and just so you can see here, so you can see all the images without of the glare. And I'll just come in a little bit closer so you can just see in this lighting as well, but it just looks so delicate and gorgeous. So that is it from me today, Jelly Babes. I really hope that you've enjoyed watching it and you've got some inspiration on how you could do these plates. Like I say, use the links below. Press that free subscribe button if you've not done so already. Give this video a thumbs up, and like I said before, I always love to read your comments. So take care. Bye.